Hi guys, welcome back. It's Dina with Dinner Made Easy with Dina. Today we are pulling together homemade scalloped potatoes with ham. Stay with me and I'm going to show you how to pull that together.
Now you can choose to use cream of mushroom soup if you'd rather, or you can do this recipe. This is the first time I've done this recipe, and I think it turned out really good. So I'm sharing this with you here today. The recipe is going to be attached at the end of this video, so feel free to decide whether you want to make your own cream sauce for your scalloped potatoes or if you would like to use the cream of mushroom soup. With this recipe, we're using evaporated milk, as you can see, and some water, and that's all in the recipe. Oh, and we're also making a mess. So I'm pretty good with doing that. There we go. Let's clean that up a little bit. If you're going to use the cream of mushroom soup, you can use 1 can of cream of mushroom soup and a half a can of milk, or you can do it this way. And I'm just looking for it to cook all the way through and to start getting a little bit of thickness. It's not going to be super thick. And then we'll move on to the rest of the recipe. As you can see, I sprayed my dish with a little non-stick cooking oil there, and I used olive oil. And here is the ham steak that I chose. Now I cut the ham steak down to fit my dish. It's a 2-quart dish. And then we're going to put our potatoes and our onions on the top and go from there. As you can see, they're quite large. The slices of potato, or probably about 1/4 of an inch or a little less, and then we are going to just layer those around. And I used 2 good-sized ones. As you can see, the thickness of that. But 2 potatoes that were really large potatoes was absolutely perfect for the size of this dish. So I'm just putting the potatoes all around, and then I'm going to add some onion to that. We've already flavored our sauce and we have that ham in there, so we don't need to add any more seasonings to this. And I put about 1.5 scoops of the sauce on the bottom layer. And then we're going to continue on with the next layer. I got 3 layers out of this one, and it was absolutely the perfect amount. So that really worked out well. And then we're going to do onions again, and then some more of the sauce. So I kind of divided the sauce into 3, so I had enough for each layer, and it was absolutely perfect amount. So we didn't have any leftovers. There you go. Hey guys, if you are enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. If you have and you like what you're seeing, give me a thumbs up. Let me know how I'm doing with that. And listen, if you want to share your recipe with me, with your scalloped potato recipe, I am always looking for some new recipes for scalloped potatoes. There's so many different ways to do it. This is a brand new one for me, so this is really the first time I've done this recipe. And so we're just trying it out to see how well this one turns out. Let me know what you think. So again, I just want to let you know that if you're enjoying this, the recipe will be attached at the end of the video here. So you'll be able to see exact measurements of what I did. If you don't like onions, feel free to leave those out. If you don't want to put ham in it, you don't need to put ham in it if you don't want to. This was just an easy go-to meal for us, and all we needed to do was serve a salad with that, or maybe some asparagus or broccoli, and you have a full meal. And it really didn't take that long to put it together. The longest part of this whole thing is how long it takes to cook in the oven. And it took us about 1 hour and 20 minutes for this to be completely cooked all the way through. we're going to top this off with just a little bit of butter. And we are using the non-salted butter, unsalted I guess I could call it. It's unsalted butter because we have quite a bit of salt in there with that ham, and we have other seasonings in there, and this should actually make it balance out quite a bit. So there we go, and now all we have to do is put it into the oven, and we did preheat the oven already at 375. And then now we're just going to place this into the oven, and it was about an hour and 20 minutes before it was finished.
Let's give these a try. Okay, let's give this a taste test and see how it came out. It looks really, really good. Nice and creamy. Really, really good. This is a great recipe for those cool evenings like tonight. Had a little bit of snow again today. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm ready for spring. But this is a great go-to meal. We pulled this all together, and it took about an hour and 15 minutes to bake in the oven. But man, it's worth it. It's not a difficult recipe to pull together. Give it a shot. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button for me. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch and spend your evening with me as I make this yummy, yummy dinner. So give this a try. I know you're going to love it. If you like scalloped potatoes, this is the one for you. Thanks, you guys.